Alright, we are here to replace the HDMI cord for this Precor treadmill. So basically, let me show you what happens to the HDMI cord before we go any further. This is what happened to the HDMI cord. It's basically a 12-foot long HDMI cord, and this is basically what happened to it. So now this is your cover right here. So basically, when you lift the cover up, this is where your HDMI plug in here. So this is where, and the problem that we having, for some strange reason, this is your HDMI cord, and this is what somehow this thing get cut in it. So that's where it get cut, right here. So to replace the cord, you're gonna have to get a little bit technical. You're gonna have to remove that cover. And to remove that cover, you got a screw right here on the side of it. Then from the other side, as you go, you're gonna find another screw right here. So once you take both screws out, then you're gonna come here from the front. You're gonna remove these little two screws. Then the whole cover will just come out. So once you take that cover out, of course, you're gonna come here. With that leg right here, you're gonna take these bolts off, and there's two bolts at the bottom rest. As far as the armrest, you're gonna take this one off, and you're gonna take that one off. Once you take these three bolts off, then you're gonna pry this. Be very careful so you don't scratch there, you don't damage there. Then the top I believe it's the bottom gonna come out, whichever one. Then once either the bottom or the top come out, you're gonna, before you take I think it's the bottom gonna drop. Then the top, you're gonna have to take, I think, 2 screws or 3 screws from here, and then 2 screws or 3 screws from here. So once you take the screws off, then this whole thing gonna come out. Then you're gonna see an opening from here, goes all the way down here. Then to take this cover out, there's 2 screws right here. You're gonna take these screws off. Okay? Then this whole thing, this cover, gonna come out. Once this cover come out, then you're gonna come in the back. Then you're gonna take these screws off, this one off, this one off, this one off, and this one off. Then you're gonna take this one over here, underneath right here. You're gonna take that off, and there's one right here you're gonna take off. So that's technically that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this whole back cover gonna come out. Then once you do that, then let me show you the one I'm working on. This is the one I'm working on. So I was showing you what to do to get to that. So once you get to that, this little cover right here, you're just gonna get something and pry this open. Be careful you don't damage it. And then that's gonna look similar to something like this. And it's basically gonna sit just like that. And it just snap in. You can see the little tabs from the side. Just be careful you don't break them. So once you get that out, you go and your HDMI, this is the new one I'm fishing in. So I had to go ahead and get a new one. Alright, so the same way you take it out, basically that's the same way. You're gonna go and fish it back in. Just to show you how this works, let me just turn this on. Start running. Then you go to speed. As you go on the speed, the higher you go, the faster it goes. So this is basically how this is work. And when you want to stop, you just press stop. Then you're gonna count. You're gonna have the countdown. Then you just press end to finish. So again, this is the old cord, and this is the new one that we just got from Walmart. High quality. And this is how we started running the new one. We got one in here, and this is the front end. If you remember when I talk about where you got to take this cover off, these two screws, the bottom, take that off, then this whole thing pop up. What it does, it give you access from here, because this is where your HDMI fish coming from down here. Okay, through that hole. Then it go through here, then it comes here, and then come out here, and then go through here from the inside, okay? And then you come around, come through here, then it go through here, then you gotta fish it in here, then it come up here. So once it come up here, you're just gonna have to so we got that part done right here. So this part is basically done. So the next thing that we have to do basically is to continue fishing the other end. Through here. So we gotta fish this through here all the way down. So this can actually come out here somewhere in that corner. Okay, so that's what we're gonna try to do to get that come out here. So when that come out of here, then of course this is a cover where we talk about that we already had it loose, and when you take that cover off, this is what you see. Then we're gonna try to see if we can reroute that, because this is where this is supposed to be routed in here, but somehow it keep getting cut. So we want to think of another way to reroute that. We see an opening right here. Somewhere here there's an opening right here, and nothing is touching it. So we probably gonna take it from here. See the little thing, so you can hold your wires. We're gonna put the wire between there, run it through here, and have it come at the bottom instead of doing it here, so we don't stop it from damaging. So we were able to get the wire through this leg right here, okay, or through this post right here. I don't know if you can see deep inside. So you can see all the way down there. So, but how we did it, there's a screw, which is my hand right here. The screw came from right here. Right here. So we had to take the extra screws off in order to have a little bit of opening from here. And then we fish the wire through. Keep it nice and neat, just like the rest of them. So that should not look clean, just like so. Then come all the way from the bottom where it's not touching anything. Now remember to put the screw back right where it belongs when you're done. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting everything back together. Of course, we're gonna just go ahead, make sure everything is tight. So this cover we're gonna go just like this.